how the rising egg prices may affect the stock market. Have you ever wondered why the price of eggs at your local grocery store has been on the rise? You're not alone. In recent months, egg prices have been skyrocketing, and it's a mystery that has many people scratching their heads. According to a recent article from MarketWatch, there are a few factors that contribute to the rising prices of eggs. But the real reason behind the price hike may shock you. Avian flu outbreaks, a highly contagious virus that can quickly spread among birds and decimate entire flocks, have been one of the main drivers behind the rising prices of eggs. In recent years, there have been several large-scale outbreaks that have led to the culling of millions of birds. But that's not all. High feed prices and other inputs have also been pushing the prices up. The cost of producing eggs has gone up due to the rising prices of feed, labor, and other inputs for farmers. Now, you may be thinking, what does this mean for the stock market? Companies that produce eggs, such as poultry farms and egg processors, may see a decline in their stock prices if the decline in egg prices is significant and prolonged. Supermarkets and other retailers that sell eggs may see a decline in their stock prices if they are not able to pass on the lower egg prices to consumers in the form of lower prices. Companies that are involved in the supply chain of eggs, such as feed producers and transport companies, may see a decline in their stock prices if the decline in egg prices leads to lower demand for their products or services. Companies that produce consumer goods that use eggs as an ingredient, such as baked goods and processed foods, may also see a decline in their stock prices if the decline in egg prices leads to higher costs for them. As the US Farm Group has asked to investigate the high egg prices, which could lead to a decrease in prices, it's important to stay informed about the market and its potential impact on the stock market. But it's not just the companies that produce and sell eggs that are affected by these changes in the market. Investors and analysts are also paying close attention to the egg market, as fluctuations in egg prices can have a ripple effect on the overall economy. As the investigation into the high egg prices continues, it's important to keep an eye on how this could potentially impact the stock market. This is particularly true for those who have investments in companies that are directly or indirectly related to the egg industry, which is why you would want to subscribe to the channel to stay updated.